Fueling the future, the inspiring power of CNC machines. Imagine a classroom filled with the hum of machinery, the spark of creativity, and the buzz of innovation. This is no ordinary space, it's a launchpad for futures yet to be written. At the heart of this transformation stands the CNC machine, a tool so versatile and powerful that it can shape metal, wood, and even lives. As an educator, you're more than just a teacher, you're a guide, a mentor, and a motivator. You have the unique ability to introduce students to the tools that will define their future careers, and perhaps even our society. CNC machines are one such tool, not just a marvel of engineering but also an opportunity for growth, creativity, and progress. And today, we're here to explore how this technology, combined with your passion for teaching, can truly shape the world. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a CNC machine? CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. In simple terms, it's a type of technology that combines computer programming with precise machining to create everything from intricate designs to functional components. Think of it like this: CNC machines are like digital sculptors. Instead of going through hours of manual labor, you program the machine with a digital design, and it brings that design to life with incredible precision. Whether it's cutting, drilling, or shaping, CNC machines can do it all, with speed, accuracy, and efficiency. And while it may seem like complex technology, it's actually an engaging way to teach students the fundamentals of engineering, programming, and design. Once they understand its principles, the possibilities are limitless. CNC machines aren't just classroom tools, they're the backbone of some of the most innovative industries in the world. Aerospace, automotive, healthcare, electronics, you name it, CNC machines are at work behind the scenes. Take the aerospace industry, for instance. Every highly precise component of an airplane, from its engine turbines to structural parts, owes its existence to CNC machining. In healthcare, CNC machines play a critical role in producing prosthetics, surgical instruments, and even implants that save lives. This technology also drives innovation in smaller, accessible ways, like creating custom tools, parts for consumer products, or prototypes for new inventions. CNC machines address real-world challenges with elegance and efficiency. Imagine the awe your students will feel when they realize their ideas can be turned into real, functional objects that solve problems in the world around them. So, what makes CNC machines such a fantastic tool for educators like you? First, they're a natural fit for teaching key concepts in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Whether it's geometry for design, physics for material behavior, or coding for programming commands, CNC machines bring these subjects to life in a hands-on, interactive way. More importantly, CNC machines teach students something beyond curriculum: problem solving. With every project, students learn to think critically, troubleshoot errors, and improve upon their designs. These aren't just academic skills, they're life skills. And in today's rapidly evolving job market, CNC-related skills are in high demand across industries. Students trained on CNC technology gain a competitive edge, opening up career paths in advanced manufacturing, robotics, design, and beyond. By introducing CNC machines in your teaching, you're not just expanding their skill sets, you're giving them a vision for what they can achieve. As technology educators, your role is invaluable. You are the bridge between students and the future. Yes, CNC machines are extraordinary, but they are only as powerful as the people who guide others to use them. That's where you come in. Think of the moments when your students' eyes light up with understanding or when they complete a project that fills them with pride. That is the magic of education, taking a tool, an idea, or an opportunity, and transforming it into motivation, growth, and dreams. Empowering students with CNC machines does more than teach them technical skills. It instills confidence, fosters curiosity, and inspires them to push boundaries. Through hands-on learning, you provide an outlet for their creativity and a foundation for future innovation. By embracing CNC technology in your teaching, you are preparing students not just for the jobs of today, but for the industries of tomorrow. That is your legacy as an educator. Let's bring this to life with a story. Meet Sarah, a high school student passionate about design but unsure of her career direction. When her technology educator introduced her to CNC machines, something clicked. Suddenly, she saw how her digital designs could become real-world products. Through CNC projects, she learned coding, engineering principles, and teamwork. Fast forward a few years, Sarah is now studying industrial design in college and working on prototypes for sustainable products. She credits her first experience with CNC machines, and her teacher's encouragement, as the spark that set her on this path. Stories like Sarah's remind us of the power of technology and education combined. They show us what's possible when students are given tools and inspiration to chase their dreams. One of the most amazing aspects of CNC machines is how they blend precision engineering with creative artistry. They aren't just about functionality, they're about imagination. Students can use CNC machines to create artistic designs, custom furniture, or intricate models. It's a medium where their technical and creative skills work hand in hand. The beauty of CNC machines is that they allow students to think like engineers while exploring their creative potential. As an educator, you can unlock this potential by encouraging students to see CNC projects not just as assignments, but as opportunities to express their ideas and interests. Nothing is more inspiring than seeing a young mind combine art and science to invent something truly unique. Now, it's time to envision the future, not just for your students, but for yourself. As a technology educator, you have the power to ignite a spark that could lead to groundbreaking innovations. You're not just teaching lessons, you're shaping lives. CNC machines provide you with a platform to inspire and empower. They give students an opportunity to dream big and achieve bigger. By embracing CNC technology, you're equipping students with the skills to succeed, the confidence to overcome challenges, and the creativity to innovate. So, challenge yourself to take that next step. Explore CNC machines in your teaching. Introduce your students to a technology that could change their futures, and by extension, the world. Because every great invention, every piece of progress, starts with someone taking a chance. Let that someone be you. CNC machines are amazing tools, but they are more than just machines. They are symbols of creativity, precision, and possibility. And when put in the hands of skilled educators like you, they become instruments of change. Think of the potential waiting to be unlocked in your classroom. Think of the students whose lives you could transform. All it takes is a spark of inspiration, and that spark could be you. So, let's build the future together, one project, one student, and one dream at a time. Because with CNC machines and your guidance, there's no limit to what we can create. The future is in your hands, let's carve it out, one masterpiece at a time.